Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is day 16 of snowing my way through my minis in the month of January. Yeah, it's okay. It's a working title. I don't know. But I remember Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget said, I think she was the one that said you could do love, love, loving into February. But if I do this in February, I might just bring it down. We don't have to really rhyme or anything. It can just be saving with my minis in February. But I'm excited that I'm doing this. December went really well. I'm halfway through January now, and I'm just excited how it's going. So if you want to save along with me, I do have this whole little set. It's a printable in my Etsy only. It's not on my website. So let's add our $7. Let's count it first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. That's going to go in there. It's getting a little thick. I feel like we could finish something today. That'd be fun. Forgot to get my prep coins out. Put those there for a second. So we are going to situate ourselves like that. We're going to use Brian. Sorry, Brian. We're going to let it snow somewhere else. And I've got my marker. I've got my die. Let's get situated. All right. So how are you doing? How was your week? You made it to Friday. Congratulations. I hope you have fun weekend plans. I just have a lot of things I want to do around the house. I want to try to make myself film some TikTok videos just because, I just really want to just try to do another little social media. And I've tried Instagram a little bit, but I am not growing on there. Not even a little bit. So I was like, well, I have a little bit more traction on TikTok. So I was like, I'll just see what I can do over there. Mix it up, see what happens. All right, so we're going to start on number 1. We have our D3 die. We're going to roll the die, whatever it says. That's how many prop coins we're going to put down. And here we go. 3 right off with the bat with a big one. 3 again. We might not get all the way around, but I love it. 2 for 3. No 3 for 3 on that one. 4 is getting 2. 5 is getting 2. 6 is getting 3. Do you notice what we haven't done yet? That's kind of weird. 2 for 7. Oh no. 2 for 8. Oh no, we only have 2 left. So that means we did kind of make it all the way around, but so we're going to leave the paper clip on 1. That was crazy. It was exciting though. All right, so I'm going to put that down. And this adorable dice tower is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Her husband makes it. How fun is that? All right, so we get $1 for number 1. And it's the balloon animals from Becca Budget 777. So this will save us $2. So we can save $1. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So we have 3 more little spots, and that will be $2. So how are you doing? Are you saving along with me? I love the people that tell me that they are. I hope you guys are having fun today. Ooh, we got $1.25 for number 2. Oh, we finished it. We only needed 50 cents. Okay, so this one was from Maribel at Minto. So we're going to do the rolls and maybe sweet potatoes. So this one will save us $2. So we'll put that there. And now we can get a new one and put 75 cents into that one. It's this one. Budgeting with Bree 1487. This is a Ko-fi member, or I'm sorry, a Ko-fi. It's on Ko-fi. Budgeting with Bree 1487. I pooped breakfast. Oh my God, that's hilarious. So this will save us $6. So we can mark off 1, 2, and 3. That's funny. Okay, so that one's done. All right, number 3 got 75 cents. Oh, we just needed 50. We finished this one from Brandy at Our Beautiful Budgets. So this will save us $3. So right off the bat, wait, what was that one? So we did 50 cents. So we have 25 cents going into the next one. That's pretty cool. We already have $5 saved. It's this one. Emzo Budgets. let's get this bread. So this will save us $3. We can mark off 1. So we'll do that. All right. And then we have 50 cents going into number 4. Oh, Piglet. We needed 75. Oh, no, we needed $1. I forgot. I added a circle to make it an even dollar amount. All right, so 25 and 50. So 50 more cents from Piglet, and this is from Sean at A to Z Budgets. I love Sean's Etsy. She has so many fun games. I hope she's still doing it. I know she took a little break from videos, but hopefully she'll come back. She's super fun to watch. This one is from Becca Budget 777. Don't meow with me. I'm not kidding around. So we can do 25 and 50. And this one will save us $6. And at the end of the month, when this is all done, I'm going to do a randomizer for this. So I'm trying to figure out the 3 categories I want this to, not a randomizer, a left, right, center. So I'm trying to figure out the 3 categories. And I think one of the categories is going to be travel, but I'm trying to figure out what the other 2 should be. Not sure yet. Oh, we finished this one. This one's from Diva's Budgeting. We just needed 25 cents, so we saved $4 with this super cute candy corn one. So we have $1 that we get to put into something else. So our extras. Oh my gosh, this is my last extra. Good thing they're sitting right over here. All right, this one's from Bookish Mama Budgets from Lindsay. And we have $1, so we can do the whole top row. This will save us $4. Very, very cool. All right, and then number 7 got 50 cents. This one is from Saving with Sam. Oculus Reparo, little Harry Potter. This will save us $5, so we can do 25 and 50. Okay. And then number 8 got 50 cents as well. Oh, we can do one more book. This one's from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we have 50 more cents and this one will be done. And then number 9 got 50 cents. Hey K Budgets, single taken in love with tacos. Oh, so true. All right, 25 and 50. This one will save us $5. All right, and then number 10 got 25 cents. And this one, oh, we needed 75 to finish. So this one is from Mischief Managed Budgets on YouTube or Mischief Budgets on Etsy. We just have 50 more cents and then that one will be done. So we did finish a couple today. That's pretty cool. And we used up all my extras. So I'll come in with more there. So let's come back to our minis bank. And we finished 3 of them. So we have $4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is $9. Let's come back here. So we'll take 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I love when I pull the exact amount I need. And then we'll put our prop coins away. And we will be all ready for day 17 tomorrow. We're starting back at 1 again. All right, so while we're here, we're going to add our 3 challenges that we finished. I love that this pile's getting kind of thick. And then we can add our $9 to our completed. I did come in here and do a little bit of condensing. I really wanted to count it, but I did not. Okay, so that is all I have for today, and I will add some more challenges in the extra spot so we can be ready to go if we finish any tomorrow. And please come back and join me for day 17, and I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're saving with me, and until next time, take care. Bye.